da. That was you. Hello. And it's the Buddy Show. As you know me, I'm Tia. This is Mikey. And this is Boo Boo. And we'll be going today, so have a great show. In Bobo's office. There's nothing to do. Hello. Where's Mikey? He should be here. I'm right here. Mikey, it took you like an hour. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Get out of me. Get out of me. Ah! This is so aromantic. No.